To open a Zelle account, start by going to the Zelle website or mobile app and clicking on the Get Started button. You will be asked to enter your mobile number or email address to begin the registration process. Next, you will receive a verification code that you must enter to confirm your mobile number or email address. Once verified, you will be prompted to select your bank or credit union from the list of participating institutions. If your bank is not listed, you can still use Zelle by downloading the Zelle app and enrolling with a Visa or MasterCard debit card. You will need to provide some basic information, including your name and address, to create your profile. After completing the registration process, you will be able to send and receive money using Zelle. To send money, simply enter the recipient's mobile number or email address, the amount you want to send, and add a memo if desired. To receive money, the sender must have your mobile number or email address enrolled with Zelle. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification and the funds will be deposited directly into your bank account. It is essential to note that Zelle transactions are typically completed within minutes, and the service is free for most users. However, some banks may charge a small fee for certain transactions. To keep your Zelle account secure, use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Additionally, be cautious when sending money to unknown recipients, and never share your account information with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily open a Zelle account and start using the service to send and receive money quickly and securely. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your Zelle account and understand any applicable fees or limitations before using the service.